If you look around you this summer, you would notice that most people are trying to eat healthy, watch healthier recipes, and even make them at home to feed their families more nutritious meals and desserts. In this recipe, I'm going to show you how to use 3 berries, strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries to make triple berries sorbet. I'm going to start by preparing my fruits, slicing them up and washing them, and then I'm going to freeze them. But if you have access to just the frozen ones from the store, that's fine, but I highly recommend that you eat fruits like these berries because they are in season at the moment. Once they are frozen, transfer them to the blender and squeeze half a lemon juice or lime juice if that's what you have, and then blend and keep blending. Allow to rest for a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes in between, and then keep blending. Keep blending till you achieve a very fluffy and light texture. If your blender is not so powerful, keep blending. You have to keep doing it till you achieve that texture that we want. Okay, I highly recommend this dessert because it is high in antioxidants, great to protect your skin and your brain cells for glowing skin this summer, and also is high in dietary fiber, which will help you poop, and then great for digestive health as well. Now, this dessert recipe is free from unwanted ingredients, preservatives, and colors that can harm us and mess up our metabolism. So I highly recommend this recipe. You can serve with granola as toppings or strawberries or any other fruits that you want. Try to serve it immediately because it tends to loosen up. This recipe I highly recommend. And my pineapple sorbet recipe, which everyone is going crazy about, I'm going to link the video below in the comment section for you to check that out. I am going to be dropping more healthy recipes this summer, so thank you so much for watching. I really want you to share this video to your friends and family, especially if you're trying to lead a healthy lifestyle and eat healthy. Thank you so much, and God bless you.